Are you currently on a keto diet or considering to start one? Then stop for a second. I have a free download of the most popular keto recipes for you that will skyrocket your ketosis. Now, if you're not interested in keto, you can skip this video right now. This is for keto dieters only. I repeat, if you're not interested in keto, you may want to skip this video and watch something different. This is intended for keto dieters who love to indulge in tasty recipes. Hi, my name is Claudia Caldwell, and in the past few years, I've helped over 100,000 women shed their unwanted body weight, fit back into all their cute clothes, and reach their desired weight. And all of them had one thing in common: they followed the keto diet. And today, I would like to grant you free access to my easiest and fastest keto recipes that I've collected over the years. Now, I've compiled my best and tastiest recipes into a small collection that I would like to offer you for free download today, so that you can kickstart your keto diet and you don't have to waste time searching the internet for recipes. My recipe collection contains mouth-watering keto recipes, all with simple ingredients and easy instructions. And this recipe collection was made for ordinary people who suffer from complex recipes that include hours of preparing and cooking. I mean, those recipes make a good cooking show, but nobody can follow them in real life. My recipe collection is different. I wanted to compile a collection of my best and easiest keto recipes that everybody can follow. And this keto recipe collection is perfect for couples, families, and also seniors. No matter if you're living on a fixed budget or have little time to cook, you'll be surprised how fast and easy these recipes are. And you can download all the recipes for free today if you just click on the blue download button. And if you're watching this video on your smartphone, you can find the download button right below this video. Just click the blue button and you'll get forwarded to the download page and can start browsing through my recipes in just a few minutes from now. And if you're watching this on your computer, you'll find a small download button in the bottom left corner of this video. So just click on it and download your free keto recipe collection today.